It will probably be located right here in the south of Duisburg, the world's first steelworks that can produce climate-neutral steel. The plant is designed, the funding has been approved, only Brussels still has to agree. Then, iron ore will be turned into crude iron and water without fossil energy. The process is called direct reduction and requires green hydrogen. A lot of hydrogen will be necessary. The best way to translate this is to compare it with a gasometer in Oberhausen. A gasometer that is filled 3 times an hour, year after year. I think that illustrates quite well how great our demand for energy will be in the future. But if this energy comes from green hydrogen, about 25 tons of CO2 will be saved per ton of hydrogen. Steel production is responsible for 7% of the world's total carbon dioxide emissions, so there is a huge potential. That is why the Düsseldorf-based manufacturer SMS Group is currently building this steelwork in northern Sweden. The plant will produce hydrogen from renewable energies and after that, steel, climate neutral. For now, it exists only as an animation, but by 2025 the plant will be setting standards worldwide.
The facility in the north of Sweden is a 5 million ton green steel facility that starts with 2.5 million ton by 2025, 2026. That's really what is game changing, is the fact that we reduced carbon dioxide emissions by 95%. We abate 95% compared to the traditional steel making. And the fact that we are doing it already in 2025 when many other players had promised by 2035, 10 years later.
In the steel state North Rhine-Westphalia, politics and industry agree. At public expense, new infrastructure and a low industrial energy price will promote the transformation in order to maintain prosperity and the industrial location until renewable energies are available in sufficient quantities. That is why, as Minister of Economics, I have taken a clear position on this topic. The Federal Minister of Economics has also taken a clear position. Now it is important to make decisions that serve a low-cost energy supply for the industry, an energy-intensive industry. And the federal government must deliver. At the 4 major metal trade fairs in Düsseldorf, many companies are supporting the minister's position. But the industry giants also clearly state that Germany is at a geographical disadvantage. Only innovation, efficiency and, above all, climate neutrality will help the German heavy industry maintain its global significance and help Germany preserve its prosperity.